So we will start our first topic, that is placing plumbing fixtures into the model. So we will start placing plumbing fixtures into the model. So here I have opened the Revit and I have basement level. This is first floor level. This is one is the second floor level, and on top of that roof is there. So we will start from the basement level. So expand the basement level floor plan. And now let me start placing of the plumbing fixtures and plumbing equipment. So first of all, we will go to the system tab, and here there is a command of plumbing fixtures. Shortcut is PX. So using the plumbing fixtures, you will be able to place the bathtub, WC, then after sink and everything. So let us first of all we will use plumbing fixtures command. And by default it has been shown that stack water dryer 26 inch by 25 inch. So let us say first of all I want to place this stack water washer and dryer. So click, and after clicking select the washer and dryer and make sure your position should be correct, because of here it is all about the supply. So these are all the supply points. So first one, as you can see, create pipe, then after create different sort of pipes in order to connect this washer and dryer. Okay, so this is what about create washer and dryer that we have created in the basement level. In the top left corner, let us say we want to place a water heater. So here we want to place the water heater. So rather than using the plumbing fixtures command, simply I will be use the component command, because of water heater is a component. It is not a plumbing fixtures equipment. So we will use the component and load family, and we will load plumbing MEP, then after equipments, water heater and water heater. So we will use the water heater equipment and we will place in order to align this washer and dryer. Okay. So with the washer and dryer, we have also placed the water heater. Water heater, if you will be select that and go to the edit type, all the properties you will be able to see from here. Since this family is a parametric based family, so here all the properties, all the options are available, so that you can easily change the radius, diameter, circular, then after the sanitary diameter, vent radius, vent diameter, hot water radius, hot cold water radius, and everything. As you select the water heater, then these are the points. Okay, so these points are very much useful in order to get the proper connection. So right now let me keep a water heater like this, but definitely in future this water heater position, rotation, orientation, definitely we will be changed. Now on the basement level we have placed the equipments. Now we will go to the first floor plan and we will place one more equipment at here. So using the plumbing fixtures command, now we will use fixtures, and then after appliances, and we will use the kitchen unit. So in the kitchen unit, as you can see, it has been all type of connection and everything that is mentioned at here. So if I will select the kitchen unit, as you can see, these are all the connections. So create pipe will be there, hot water pipe, cold water pipe, all the supplies are able ready to connect with the main supply. And same thing that we have to do in the second floor as well. So in the second floor, we are generally placing bathtub and water closet and lavatories. So in the second floor, we will use plumbing fixtures command. Then after we will use load family, and first we will place the bathtub. So let us, we will use the bathtub. Again, these are two the supply lines, hot water line, cold water line. These two are the supply of the bathtub. Now let us, same thing, we will be place WC, and last we will use lavatories. Make sure all are lined up correctly so that supply has a proper connection. So as you can see, if I will select WC, these are all the supply line. If I will select this lavatories, supply lines are also there, and same apply for the bathtub. So in this video, we have placed all the plumbing fixtures into the model in basement level, level 1, level 2. Now in the next video, we will set up for the hot and cold water supply system in our plumb MEP model. So that is, we will meet on the next video.